We out here in Colorado and in the wild. There's a wild zoomie taking the shots of our cars with the sand dunes in the background over there. As he hops into the Sheepy Race Twin Turbo R8, we continue onwards to Vail.
Now it's gonna be JackUltraMotive.
And a good morning to everyone else too. We got all the race cars. Who's got the biggest wang? We got ACR, Troy, GT3 RS. Day 4 out here, leaving Albuquerque, New Mexico, headed up to Vail, Colorado. This is the last day for people doing the first half. Omar is sadly only doing the first half as my co-pilot, so we'll have someone new for the second half here. Once again, gas station takeover. Too many cars for one station, but we make it work. Caught red-handed.
You let me shoot him? Let me shoot him? Oh,
These things end up everywhere. Dude, I love how every vehicle has those little Ferrari stickers on the front.
And people just don't even care anymore.
Everyone is badged in Ferrari.
Even you still have yours.
Yeah, no, I took mine off and then I got another one.
That's why people don't take them off, because it doesn't matter. It's going to keep reappearing.
Yeah.
It's the gift that keeps on giving.
Oh! Fred just plastered Joe with silly string. Oh no, look at Joe's left tire. Oh, you better look out, he's gonna get us. Oh no.
I love that one piece just hanging out of the back of the car.
It's all over his roof.
Oh my god.
Guys, we're getting pulled over. We got the X7 police on us right now.
The Perez police?
Yeah, the Perez police. Oh shoot.
Is that the president?
The president? Just got a little car meet on the road. How's this thing doing?
Oh, phenomenal. This thing is insanely fast.
Oh, carbon wheels. I didn't even notice that.
Just now.
That is,
I mean, I think it may be one of the fastest cars in the rally.
yeah, what does it push?
Ferrari says 830, but I mean, look, I just got rid of my SF90, and this is faster than my SF90.
Really?
Yeah. I think that if I had to guess, I would say it's probably 940, 950.
The rate of speed to which these manufacturers are evolving to is like exponential.
Yeah.
I mean, SF90 being like a high-end car, and then now this being categorized, I'd say, right, like a lower tier as far as like pricing and stuff, but yet the fact that it already outpaces it is
insane.
incredible. What are you doing?
Just trying to go off-roading and it didn't work out.
So much for off-roading, I guess. Does this thing pull over everyone in front of you?
Yeah.
Because he just moves everyone out of the way.
Everybody out of the way. That way we don't have to stop.
It really is the quickest thing then, isn't it?
It is. That's why we're always in the front.
Yeah, right? We got another stop up ahead. Dang, they decide like all of New Mexico or Colorado decides to do construction while GOLDRUSH is going through. I dare someone to drive on the fresh pavement right now. They got the roller. The roller.
He's rolling.
He's rolling. I swear these kumquat cars literally live on oncoming lane. There they go. Dude, oh my, Dude, that's at least 150. right, you see that? Now look at this. Look at, what? Ow! God damn. Yeah, the disrespect is real with just freaking plastering the R8 with just pebbles right now. Decision to take a break from my car, let Omar drive it. We have Palmer with the GT63S here as an option, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna hop in this. And now I have realized firsthand that you can rally in actual luxury. Like they say an R8 is like a luxury supercar, but after mine being slammed and loud and rattly here and there and all that kind of stuff, no, this is just like, I could fall asleep in this. I don't know if you can fall asleep in my car. It would be a lot more annoying and irritating, but now we get to just cruise through the plains of Colorado. He's about to show me the, oh, yup, oh, I know where you're going with this one. Yeah, massage.
There you go. Go to sleep now.
Okay, night time.
Yeah, night time.
Oh, man. Causing chaos.
We're causing a little bit of chaos right now.
Yeah, he's pulling over. What the hell, man? It's raining out here.
Where are we?
That's a good question. How you doing in here? Dude, this thing needs a freaking
Dude, it's not
clean out.
Yeah, no, it's so bad, bro. We've just turned this into a dumpster.
Yeah,
this thing is
it's a nightmare.
like you have like I have like a decently like large. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I swear, everything's fine.
Is this thing all right?
Free wash, baby. Free wash.
Free wash, I guess.
Yeah.
Everything may look crystal clear on camera, but this place is a mess right now. This is not where these cars belong whatsoever. You kind of got no choice now.
You get the camera out.
You start going before I can say anything. Oh. I guess Vail is gonna be fully rained out for our time here. I don't know if things will clear out tomorrow, but as you guys can see, everywhere around here is poured out. We are rolling up shortly here to our Ritz-Carlton, and that's gonna be where we're staying tonight, and officially end off the first half.
Clocked us because it was not on the radar detector never went off. Right. They started asking for license and registration for everybody, and we're like, here we go, you know. And then they were like, all right, let's take some pictures, and we're all cool. We're gonna let you guys go. And the canine guy got his dog out of the back, and he goes, yeah, I want to take a photo with this car, and this car. You guys don't have any dope on you, do you? And we're like, nope.
So did they end up writing any tickets?
No.
They were cool.
Yeah, they were all cool.
That's good.
Which is great. If we were in Arizona, we would have all been in prison.